Why the Integra is because I used to play video games growing up, like all kids used to do. And when I would play certain racing games, this is the car that I would pick, was my favorite. I'm Robert Bartlett. I work here at K-Tuned. I do everything on the daily, from shipping your packages to maintaining the race cars. This is also my 1998 JDM Honda Integra Type R. Owning this car is it's like a good marriage, but a bad marriage at the same time. When it's good, it's good. When it's bad, it's bad. It's stressful. Trying to keep it original, clean, maintain it, but enjoy it at the same time. You know, we're here for a short time, and you want to enjoy the things you love. I like the OEM look just because to find these cars these days, they've all been modified. So to find one in its true stock glory it's like a unicorn, right? So yeah, I've had about 3 or 4 Integras. My previous one was an all-out drag car. I wanted to go drag racing for a couple years, which was this car, pretty much as a clone, right? But it was K-swap turbo. Yeah, it was a K20 stock motor with a good turbo kit on the car. The car ran consistently 1050s in the quarter mile. So the only modification I've done to the car is I put K-tuned coilovers on here. I work here, might as well. They're one of the best coilover shock out there. I tried to keep it a little bit like factory height, just because I couldn't find new 30-year-old shocks for the car. They ride the best for street driving. The dampening settings actually work on them. They're not just turning knobs and not getting no adjustments, but stock airbox, stock header, everything is as factory as it gets. I'm trying to own it for the rest of my life, maybe pass it down to my son and let him enjoy something that was a dream to own for me.